Good day everyone. Today we have 2011 SK25 KAESER Screw air compressor. With Sigma frequency control. This compressor is built in 2011, but it only has 12,000 hours on odometer and 10,000 hours on the load. Among that, its maximum pressure for this compressor is 11.4 bars. So it's we connected this compressor to the air receiver, and it's currently 5.7, 5.6 bars. Let's see. Yeah, this 750 liters air compressor. So we will start this machine to see how it works and how it builds pressure. You're waiting for power inverter. And it's loading. That's the set point pressure, 8 bars. Let's see the maintenance for this machine. It's around, I think, yeah, it's 1,500 hours until regular maintenance, which is great. Compressor is running fine, he's building pressure very well. There are no oil leaks under the chassis of the compressor. Everything looks neat and clear. I'm going to shut down the compressor now. Let's take a look inside. Everything looks in order. It's really clear, neat. So don't miss this great item. Thank you and good luck on your bits.